Good morning, Cardinals. Welcome to 5th grade Math and Science. I am going to walk you through your Google Classroom this morning. So the first thing we would do is math. Let's click on your math. The first thing you would see when you click on your math classroom is in your stream has some morning messages. Okay, like this morning, I sent good morning, Cardinals. Here is a link to remember to take breaks and have fun learning. You can click on the math games and have some fun during your breaks, and you can add a comment. Now, each day, one teacher will post. This classroom is managed by Miss Hager, Miss Coble, and Mr. Reynolds. When you click on your classwork, the first thing you would see is today's e-learning. And the first part of the e-learning is attendance. You click on view question. And if that is funny to you, you could send a private comment. And then to go back, you go back here where it says Math 5th grade and you click on that. Your next part of your work is dividing fractions visually. When you go back, after you print out your worksheet, you hit View Assignment. If you click it from here, More Actions, we can open it in a new window. Okay. You can start with the download button. So if you couldn't print and don't have printing capability, and then when you have downloaded that document, you can go and go back to the classroom. I hit this back button right here. And I'm back at the assignment. And then I'm going to hit add or create, and I'm going to say file, and then select from my device. I'm going to go to that folder and fix in 7, and then I'm going to open. And now I'm going to attach that, upload. Okay. Now this is a test one, and my son already hit the submit button without doing an attachment. But now that he has an attachment, I'm going to hit the resubmit button. And then I'm going to say turn in, and he's turning in an attachment, and then you are done for the day. Then if you still, while you are working and you need examples on how to do this, you need some instruction, these videos will give you instruction. And then you want to make sure that all your answers are correct, check your work, and before you submit your work online. You will see that your teacher will give you a grade, and when you come back to your classroom on the next day and you hit classwork and you go to the very top of the page and you click view your work, as you can see, these are all your work that you have for the day. Have a great day. Hopefully you all stay safe. I won't see you all soon. We are in this until May 15th. Well, thank you guys and have a great day. Goodbye.